Welcome to Mind Boom, where facts explode with wonder.
Hi, Pebbly.
Penny.
Will you accept this shiny rock and be my waddling buddy forever?
It's not magic, kids. The holes come from gassy bubbles made by Jeremy. Jereme. Nope, not staring at you. I'm totally asleep. Zzz. Stop poking me.
Yeah, I surf. Who says only humans can hang 10? Quacktastic style, baby.